Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable low power mode features while using the Uber app to conserve battery life, follow this simple guide to optimize your device settings and Uber app performance. Step 1. On your iPhone or Android device, enable low power mode in your device settings. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Battery, and toggle on low power mode. On Android, go to Settings, then Battery, and enable Battery Saver. Step 2. Open the Uber app on your device and log in to your account if you're not already signed in. Step 3. Within the Uber app, tap on your profile icon in the top left or bottom menu to access account settings. Step 4. Look for settings within the Uber app menu and tap on it. Step 5. Scroll through settings to find options related to battery optimization, background refresh, or location services. Step 6. Adjust location services to while using the app instead of always to save battery. Go to your device settings, then privacy or apps, then location, then Uber. Step 7. Disable unnecessary features in the Uber app such as animations or frequent map updates while not actively booking a ride. Step 8. Close the Uber app when not in use and disable background app refresh for Uber in your device settings to prevent unnecessary battery drain. Step 9. Keep your device's brightness low and disable automatic brightness while using Uber for additional battery savings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.